Assalamu alaikum, everyone. At the very beginning, I'd like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Almighty Allah, the most gracious and merciful, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to stand before you. Most respected teachers and my beloved friends, take my cordial love and respect. Today, I feel really delighted and deeply honored because I have got the chance to deliver my speech in this wonderful gathering. So this is Joer Khondogar. I am from Chatpur, which is famous for its fresh hilsa. I am 21 years old. Now I'm going to talk about my 1 month journey at Rahat's English Care. About 2 years ago, my brother came here to learn English, and he also completed his IELTS and spoken course from here. And because of him, I know about this place. Also, he told me to come here to learn English, kindly arranged everything for me. On 15th September, our classes started, and I saw that the teachers here are very dedicated and work hard for their students. And they give us a daily routine and some lecture books, which helped us to learn English in a better way, and also improved us greatly. So I would like to thank to Rahat sir for giving us this kind of wonderful opportunity to improve our English skills. I also can say that this is a better environment to learn English, and I prefer this place for everyone who wants to learn English. This is a better place to learn. And that's all I wanted to say about Rahat's English Care. Assalamu alaikum.